Embarking on a vegan journey is not just about what you eat. It's a commitment to a lifestyle that values compassion, sustainability, and personal well-being. If you're considering transitioning to a vegan diet, you're not alone. Today, we'll guide you through the initial challenges, suggest some common foods for starters, and provide tips to help you stay consistent on your plant-powered path. Nutrient concerns, social pressures, food labeling, and cravings can be hurdles. To address nutrient concerns, focus on a well-balanced diet and consider consulting a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Inform your friends and family about your decision to navigate social pressures. Bringing a vegan dish to gatherings ensures you have a tasty option. Understanding food labels is crucial. Smartphone apps can assist you in deciphering complex ingredient lists. Overcoming cravings is normal. Explore vegan alternatives and find creative ways to veganize your favorite dishes. Common foods for vegan starters. Building a vegan-friendly pantry is essential for a successful transition. Load up on a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables for a broad spectrum of nutrients. Incorporate whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat into your meals for essential carbohydrates and fiber. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein, iron, and fiber. Experiment with different varieties. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Tofu, tempeh, and seitan are versatile protein sources. Experiment with different cooking methods. How to stay consistent on a vegan diet. Staying consistent with a vegan lifestyle involves commitment and a positive mindset. Educate yourself about the benefits of a vegan lifestyle and plan your meals in advance for a variety of nutritious options. Explore the market for delicious vegan alternatives. Experiment with different brands and products. Connect with like-minded individuals by joining local or online vegan communities. Share experiences, recipes, and tips. Celebrate small wins, acknowledging your progress. Remember, every small step counts on the plant-powered path. Embarking on a vegan journey is a rewarding decision that aligns with your values and promotes a healthier lifestyle. Armed with the right knowledge, a well-stocked pantry, and a positive mindset, you can successfully transition to and maintain a fulfilling vegan lifestyle. Every small step is a journey of growth and discovery on the plant-powered path.